So let me show you step by step how to allow people to edit folder in Google Drive. So if you share a folder to someone with the link and you want to now let the people to upload their file inside the folder, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open up your Google Drive, you go to my drive. So now you find the folder. So let's see, I'll try with this one. Right click on the folder, go to share. So go to share again. After you select the share, so from this option you click on this restricted. So you go to this anyone with the link. So you click on this option and you go to this editor. So under this editor, now the people can be able now to access anything inside the folder, and they can be able to upload, edit, and do anything. So now you click on this copy link and then you go to done. So now let me try and give you an example. I'll click on this incognito mode. So now I'll paste in the link and press enter. So now if the person now open the link, as you can see now the folder will look like this for him. So now the person now can be able now to download anything inside the folder if you click on this download all button, and the person now can be able now to edit this file by right clicking or just by double clicking on the file, and the person can be able to edit anything inside the folder. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.